Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to calibrate joysticks on MSI Claw 7. First, open MSI Center and go into control mode. Now select gamepad and calibration and click start calibration. Now you need to wait for horizontal calibration. And now sticks calibration. You need to slowly rotate the left and right joysticks on the edge for 3 times. 2 and 3. Okay, I'll try again. Okay, calibration complete. Now press the left and right trigger. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it was these buttons. Sorry. And calibration is completed. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.